Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce and I want to thank you for watching. This video is about my pick of the week. It's for 4/27/2019, and I'm a day early. It's better to be a day early than a day late, I guess. So my pick of the week is a tool. It's an image creation tool or an image editing tool. The name of the tool is CANVA. You may have heard of it. You may not have heard of it. If you have heard of it and are not using it, check out the video and check out CANVA. If you have never used it, it's worth your time. It's an extraordinary tool. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So this is the web page that you'll find a link below to this page, and this is where you'll find more information about CANVA. And of course, every week I choose an internet marketing product, service, or opportunity that I feel is of exceptional value, and CANVA is of exceptional value. If you need to create images, banners, headers, thumbnails, ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, whatever you're looking for, CANVA should have it. It's amazing. There's just about everything: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, banners, advertising, Etsy. CANVA has what you're looking for. It's already set up. You simply go to that page and you can start working. So it's a pretty amazing tool. It's you're going to end up being very happy with the results because you're going to get professional results. But also what I'm doing is just scrolling down the page to give you an idea. Now here's a couple of training videos. This one is about design training, a little bit more advanced, and it starts with understanding the audience. That's exactly where you should start. When it comes to beginners getting started with CANVA, this is an excellent video, and you'll find these videos, of course, at CANVA as well, but I wanted to include them on the web page to give you an idea as to how good the training is, because if there's an area or areas that you're not sure about or need to learn about, you can learn about it, and CANVA makes it pretty simple, pretty easy, step by step, so that you can become an expert in practically a matter of minutes, depending on what area that you're looking for. So that is my pick of the week. It's CANVA. It's an extraordinary tool, and again, two things that really are going to help you. Very user-friendly, so it's easy to use, and it has an application for probably anything that you or I would need it for. If videos like this are of help to you, and I hope they are, go ahead and give us a like, and if you wouldn't mind, maybe make a comment. If this is the kind of thing that will help you, be sure to subscribe, and of course ring the bell. That way you won't miss out on future videos. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate it, and allow me to wish you much success.